suspect called Cynthia Bovie.
solemnly swear or affirm to testify you don't wish to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Have a seat, please. Once you're seated, say your full name, spelling, and last.
Cynthia Bovie, C-Y-N-T-H-I-A-B-O-V-E.
Agent Bovie, is that correct?
It is.
Where are you employed, ma'am?
With the Federal Bureau of Investigation.
And how long have you been employed with the FBI?
Just over 15 years.
Back in September of 2014, were you in the Jackson, Mississippi field office?
Yes.
Let me show you what's been marked and it's in evidence of State 91 and ask if you recognize this. This would be in relation to a group of electronics, specifically a phone that Lieutenant Eric Johnson with the Mississippi Bureau of Investigation asked for your assistance.
Yes.
Do you recognize it?
I do.
When you received that from Lieutenant Johnson, was it sealed?
It was.
What were you asked to do?
I was asked to take it back to the Jackson field office and have our forensic examiners begin to review it.
Your forensic examiner would be Vicki Roberts, is that
Yes.
correct? And did you do that?
Yes, I did.
Do you remember when you gave it to Ms. Roberts?
I gave it to Ms. Roberts on September the 9th of 2014.
During the time that it was in your possession, before you gave it to Ms. Roberts, did you go into the package or manipulate the content of the phone in any way, shape, or form?
No.
Ms. Roberts had it for a period of time to begin to try to do an investigation, is that correct?
Yes,
And then you received the phone back from her,
I did.
correct? Do you remember when you received the phone back from her?
It was a day or two later.
Once you got the phone back from her, did you power on the phone or try to manipulate the phone or the data contained within the phone?
No, I did not.
And in fact, did you end up sealing the phone back up into that envelope?
Yes.
And how do you know that?
I have my initials and a date
Where do you see your initials and date?
right here in the bottom right corner across the evidence tape.
So on the security tape on the bottom, it says CB, which is your initials, and then the date.
Yes.
Correct? And the purpose of that is just to seal it back up and maintain the chain of custody and the integrity of the item.
Yes.
Correct? So after sealing the item back up on September 23rd of 2014, what, if anything, did you do with that phone?
I met Shelby Derrick with the Lexington County Sheriff's Office on September the 23rd of 14 and transferred the evidence items to her.
So it was sealed, you sealed it back up and you handed it to Shelby Derrick.
Yes,
And then that's your call as far as that phone.
that's correct.
Thank you, Agent Bovie. Please answer any questions.
Good morning, Agent Bovie.
Morning.
Was it just a phone that you had, or was there a large volume of electronic?
There were other evidence items as well.
Do you recall what all it was?
And no, not off the top of my head.
I'm going to show you.
This is the number 125.
I'll show you what's been marked as specific number 125. Ask you if you recognize that.
I do.
Does it have your signature on it?
It does.
And can you tell us what it is?
It is a Mississippi Bureau of Investigation chain of custody form.
Okay. And the items on it that are listed, are those all the items that you were given?
Yes, I believe so. This is what I signed.
Okay. Can you tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, just, you don't have to read every word on it, not all the serial numbers, but if you could tell them briefly sort of what all you took possession of.
It's listed a computer, an additional computer, 3 computers, an Eagle Consensus external hard drive, a Hitachi Destar hard drive, a Western Digital hard drive, Passport Western Digital hard drive, SanDisk Cruiser, verbatim storage device, several Cruiser micro storage devices, a Kingston Data Traveler, multiple other storage devices, Alexar 2 gigabyte storage device, SanDisk Cruiser, verbatim 128 megabyte storage device, Diversified Technology storage device, Kingston DT Mini Slim storage device, Lexar Media Compact Flash Card, Galaxy Note 3 cellular telephone, Samsung cellular telephone, an AT&T cellular telephone, and a Verizon cellular telephone.
A lot of electronics.
Yes,
A lot of stuff that has a lot of mass storage capability.
correct.
You didn't manipulate any of it.
No,
And you turned it all back over to South Carolina, Miss Derrick in Atlanta.
that's correct.
Thank you. All right, I'd offer defense number 125.
No objection.
That's defense 125?
Yes, sir.
All right, admitted without objection.
I'm sorry, I have no questions.
No motion for Mr. Roberts.
May step down.
Take hold of Vicki Roberts. Just leave it there.
Solemnly swear or affirm testimony that you shall be true and will be written in the public so once you're seated, state your full name, spelling your last, please.
Vicki Roberts, VACKIE-ROBERTS,
Ms. Roberts, where are you employed, ma'am?
Federal Bureau of Investigation in Jackson, Mississippi.
And how long have you been with the FBI?
19 and a half years.
And were you back in 2014, and are you still a forensic examiner?
Yes, sir.
And briefly, what is a forensic examiner?
A forensic examiner is a trained person to examine digital evidence, including cell phones, computers, cameras, and different operating systems.
Back in September of 2014, did Agent Bovie contact you and ask you to begin to look on a phone?
Yes, sir.
Looking at states number 91, which is a Samsung Galaxy Note 3, taken from the defendant's car, do you recognize that as being the phone? Do you need to go into it?
Yes, I don't see, I gave it to her and she sealed it, so I couldn't tell other than the name of the phone.
Okay, so Agent Bovie opened something and handed you a phone,
Yes, sir.
and you kept that phone, and you gave that phone back to Agent Bovie?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What Agent Bovie did with it and what package it was in, you don't know?
That's correct.
Okay. But the same phone she gave you is the one that you gave her back?
Yes, sir.
The purpose of you taking the phone was to begin to do a forensic examination?
Yes, sir.
During the course of your examination, were you asked to stop the examination and to allow South Carolina officials
Yes, sir.
to use the examination?
Yes, sir.
As far as the examination you did you change anything that was on the phone or add to it or subtract from it?
No, sir.
So the contents of the phone were the same after when you turned it back to Cynthia as it was when you got it from Cynthia?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Please answer any questions that have been asked.
No question.
May step down. Y'all are done to 1:30. Back in jury to 1:30. Don't talk about the case. Now, as I understand it, lunch, wherever they want to go, without y'all's escort. If y'all want to escort them, that's up to y'all. Y'all can go wherever you like. Go together, go park, and y'all go home. Be back at 1:30. Do whatever you like. Y'all can make arrangements on yourself. Okay? Because of the herky-jerky day, Clark and I couldn't get it together, so that's on me. See you at 1:30.